What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be reviewing a product that I got from, I brought from Amazon. I am in no way, shape, or form related to this product. They did not give it to me to make a review on it. This is something I purchased on my own that I bought with my own money. The Leereel wireless microphone, about $34, $35. Pretty inexpensive microphone, but as you know, right now I talk to my iPhone and you guys get the audio from my iPhone. I do fix the audio a little bit when I'm editing video. I want to see how this works, and maybe I can cancel out some of the noises that are in the background while I'm pressing or while I'm cutting on the machine, especially that cameo back there. That thing does make us a lot of noise. First things first, this is the way the package comes. It's actually inside of a Amazon package, but this is the way it looks. Okay, this is the back part of it. So right here, it says that it works on a 2.4 gigabyte wireless technology. It's good for videos, recording, interviews, online teaching, and live broadcasting. I need something to clarify my vocals or to cut out sound in the background from my vocals. I said, let me give it a try. It's 35 bucks. So it's a slide out. Is very nicely packaged, if you can see. Looks like it's well protected. And this is the 2 microphone version, so you can buy a single one, which is cheaper. I decided to buy the 2 just in case I have, my wife or anybody that's with the business, talk with me. You have 2 microphones. Sorry that it's far away. I'll try to do the best I can. And this is the way it looks. Now it does have a port there for, I'm guessing, charging. I haven't got really a chance to look at it before I did the video, so I figured I'd give it to you guys like I see it. My first take on it is a little plasticky. I wonder how this clip is gonna hold after so much abuse, but the good thing is that they did give you extra clips. So I guess they already thought that out, that the extra clips is gonna be needed after a while of use. So that's definitely a plus on the company. The power button is on the back. Don't know if you can see that real good, but the power button is on the back. So this is the transmitter, very small, very small. I don't know if you can see that very well. I know that my phone is a little bit farther away from the thing, but this is for the iPhone. This doesn't have any buttons. I don't know if it has any lighting, but it does have a charging port on it. Comes with a small box. Let's see what's in the box here. All right, it looks like it has an external earpiece. I'm guessing for you to hear your own voice, which is good. I mean, I liked it. I bought it because it's wireless, so I don't want to have any wires in my ear. It looks like this actually plugs into the side of it and goes in your ear, so that's a good thing. It does come with 1 charging cable included in the box, so that's the charging. Okay, inside this package, it looks like there's some papers down there. Dear customer, thank you for. So this is a thank you paper that they put in there. Now, comes with instructions. It's pretty long. Let's read through these instructions real quick. Packing list. It has a packing list on the instructions. Microphone transmitter, extra microphone windscreen. They do have an extra microphone windscreen. they don't have an extra microphone windscreen. That's one thing that didn't come with extra microphone windscreens. It comes with a lightning receiver, which is this thing right here. Monitor earphones, exactly what I said. It's right here. USB-C charging cable, which is right here. And the user manual. For pairing, it says receive plug-in. Plug into the iPhone, the red light should light on. Turn microphone transmitter, press the power button, and the green light should show up. So it's only 2 steps. So you plug this into the iPhone, hit the power button on this, and it should automatically set. There's no app, there's nothing that you have to use. It's pretty self-explanatory. I didn't even need to read the directions to do that. I mean, I know that this plugs into my phone and hit the power on this and voila. We'll get to the sound test and see it. Be right back after I plug this in. All right, guys, I'm back. So I plugged it into my iPhone. I hit the power button. You're gonna see a green light come on. Now, I don't know how it sounds because I am actually on the opposite side. I guess I can hear with the actual wire, but I am not gonna use this function right now because most of the time I'm not gonna have it on and you're gonna hear me just like this. And I want you guys to tell me in the comments how this sounds. How do you like the audio? Let me know in the comments if this is good for me to continue using this microphone. There's a couple notes on here that I want to read to you guys. It says the product does not support making phone calls. To hear the audio back, please unplug the receiver after recording. So you cannot use this as a Bluetooth headset for your phone. This is just for making videos or conference calls or stuff like that. You don't want to use it to make phone calls. Third one is the transmitter and match receiver of the wireless lavalier microphone is one-on-one connection. Cannot be used with other microphones. This only works as one single unit. I guess if you have the other one plugged in, 2 people can talk on the same unit, unless it's just an extra one that they send in case this one breaks. All right, so now it has use functions. This is for the noise reduction. You double click to mute. Then you double click to unmute. Can you hear me now? In this reduction, what it does, it blocks out all the background noise. Let's press it once and you should see it flash once in orange. Hey, that was once. This is noise reduction level 1. How does it sound, guys? Noise reduction level 1. Let's go to level 2. It did flash twice. This is noise reduction level 2. Noise reduction level 2. So let's click it one more time. I didn't see the orange, but let's see. This is noise reduction level 3. Noise reduction level 3. How does it sound? Do you hear any background noise? All right. So let's click it off the noise reduction and continue to talk on regular. So now it states that it's off. I don't see why anybody would use a reverb if you're doing a video or reviewing or you're just talking or blogging, whatever. I mean, reverb type of deal for me is more like musical. If you're playing around or making a short, you know, or something like that, I feel that that's what it's for. This is my review. I think that it's okay for the price. Do I think that you should buy it? Yeah, why not? Give it a shot. I mean, what can it hurt? It's 35 bucks. What are you waiting for? By the way, this is made in, I'm guessing Japan or China. Is Guangdong Sheng. I'm sorry if I jacked that up. I am not Chinese, so I don't know how to pronounce that very good. The model number is LBM-02. Again, the model number is LBM-02. Give it a try, guys. I'm going to look at this video, and I think that for the price, it's worth a try. So that's my review, guys. Go pick it up. Like I said, I'm not getting paid for any of this review. I'm just giving it to you straight up like I always give it. That's my opinion. I think it's okay. Once I hear the audio, I will leave it in the description, the full my feel of this microphone. Sorry it was upside down. Guys, the Leereel wireless microphone. Go pick that up.